What is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Freakiest thing I ever done? Shit, when I was giving Shorty some back shots, I put my thumb in her butt.
I guess I'm gonna have to call her back. I guess I'm gonna have to call her back. I guess we gonna have to go hit London, Paris, and Montego back.
Before we start this video, please hit that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if I made it to 800 yet, but if we did, thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. And please share this video if you find this entertaining. Don't try this at home. And oh my god, let's get started. What's goody in the mother video? This is Chrissy H, and I'm back with another video. I was told by one of my friends that I should do this video. Everyone else is doing it, but you know, I'm not a basic ass right? I got a little twist in it for you. I've been seeing everybody doing the monkey app, and if y'all don't know what the monkey app is, it's when you can talk to strangers on the internet. Yeah, gotta love this generation sometimes. People have been doing rate me from 1 to 10 or would you date me, and I ain't gonna do none of that. I'm not gonna do rate me from 1 to 10 because I already know. Alright, I'ma cry. Okay, I know I ain't the most attractive person in the world, and I'm not trying to put myself in that situation. And I'm not gonna ask people if they would date me because, like, y'all don't know me. Like, this ain't Tinder. Alright, this ain't Tinder. So instead, I'm actually gonna ask these people, what is the freakiest thing you've done? People be doing some nasty things on this app. Yeah, further ado, let's get on with the video. I am scared, okay? I'm not trying to see a penis. Hey, how you doing? Oh, you cute. Okay, I see. I got a question for you. What is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Like something like sex-wise?
Yeah. Yeah.
I ate some ass.
You ate
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
some ass? Is that what you said?
Yeah, you don't like your ass being me?
No?
Why not?
That's your mouth is not supposed to be there. Oh my god. Wow, that guy was cute. I can't believe I'm doing this. What? Oh my god. This guy said, oh no, I don't like black girls, I gotta go. What the f? I don't know why people, like, who invented this? Like, hey, I have a quick question.
Okay.
What is the freakiest thing you've ever done? How does that work? Like, were you in the back seat? Like, did you have a blanket?
No, I wasn't tall. She got a tall. She was like so on my lap.
Oh. Was it good?
It was alright.
Oh, that sucks. Okay. Hey, quick question.
What's up?
What is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Freakiest thing I ever done? Shit, when I was giving Shorty some back shots, I put my thumb in her butt.
What? Wait, no way! You put your thumb in her butt. Why? Like,
I don't know.
like, what was going through your head? Like, was it a reflex type of thing, or like, was it just in the moment, or did you want to do it?
It was in a moment.
So,
You know,
did you?
listen, me getting somebody, listen, when I go get my girl some short ass back shots, you gonna get in that moment, you gonna just put your thumb in her butt. She gonna go with the shits.
Do you regret it?
Nah,
Oh, so you would do it again?
I would, because it came down to it.
Oh, okay. I feel so bad saying bye to these people. Like, I just gotta hit next. Like, I just gotta keep it going. Hey, I got a quick question for you. What is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Well,
On top of the headboards.
On top of the headboard. Lift the girl up, put her against the wall on top of the headboard.
Oh, that sounds fun. Look at you.
What's different?
Yeah, he was trying to ask me what the freakiest thing. Say it, bitch. You ain't better than I ain't do shit. Hey, I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
What is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Freakiest thing I ever done was getting head in the car on the highway.
Getting head in the car on the highway?
Yeah.
You didn't crash the car? Like, how'd you keep focused?
I tried my hardest to try.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool, cool. Cool! Hey, I have a quick question.
Dang, you've asked me.
Yeah, I gotta get right to the point. Like, what is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Is somebody on the playground?
Huh?
Is somebody on the playground?
What do you mean hit somebody on the playground?
In a sense.
Oh. Like on the swings, like
On the slide?
on the slide? You better hope there were no kids around. Just around with chill. Shit. Okay, what is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Freakiest thing I've done was somebody.
Really? No, for real though. That's what you did? Are you serious? You're serious?
It's like, you didn't need wearing nothing but full. Yeah, you ain't scared of me, bro.
No. I'm really actually gonna die. Like, hey, I have a quick question. What is the freakiest thing you've ever done? I'm just asking you. That's how I'm gonna find out. Okay. Hey, I got a quick question. What is the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Me?
Yeah.
Do it outside.
Ooh, okay. So that was the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys smile, laugh, cackle, smirk a little bit, then please hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat at h.chrissyy 2 S2Ys. If you guys want me to do another video like this, please comment down below and I will do one. If you guys enjoyed this video, bye guys.
She the girl, she the girl, she the girl.